Here is the HTTP Toolset introduction. Click this. This is HTTP Toolset, a HTTP client to send your requests to call any API. You can see that there are 3 tabs at the bottom. The first is Collections. Show all your collections. You can put your requests in a collection. Then it is organized. This is Logs. Every request call is logged. You can see all the logs here. Settings. You can set request timeout, read timeout, clear cookie, etc. here. The left menu shows backup and restore. If you want to create a collection, you can just click this. Then you get a collection. In the collection, you can create requests. You can create get, post, put, patch, delete requests. And if you want to run the request, just click it and run. If you click run, then it will send the request to the server. The server's URL is defined here. This is the target URL. You click run, then the app will send your request to this URL. Then if you get the result, then click OK to view the result. You can copy the result, copy the response headers. You can preview the response content. If you want to debug the request, just click debug and click run. Then you will get the debug timeline, including all the request headers and response headers and the time. If you want to create by duplicate, you can long click it, choose duplicate. If you want to move this request to another collection, just click move. If you want to delete, long click it and delete the response log. Okay, that's it. Thanks for your time. Thanks.